Good morning, viewers. Today is Thursday.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Today's your birthday and we're here to say celebrate your birthday in your favorite way. Come on and jump, sing and shout. Blow your candles out, cause it's your birthday now. Today's all for you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Now we're talking about
One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Dum 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 dum. It's your birthday today. Here to say, it's special day.
I love doing birthday grants for teachers. I forgot to mention, we have a field trip today. I have not been to downtown for quite a while. This does not really feel right, being at a mall on a school day while school's in session. Remember when I was standing here for our chamber bonding thing? Oh yeah, that was fun. Good times. What is this? H2O plus? Water is in charge, it's not a cation. Here we are, ACT American Conservatory Theater. And this is the play we're watching, Marcus or the Secret of Snoop. Chamber people, if you remember, if you were here at our bonding activity, this group sang, remember when we were at the cable car turnaround? Good times.
Somebody touch me, and I'll step in the hand of the Lord. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, Lord. Don't you wanna go? Hey, this is a happy Holy Ghost party. Jesus wants you to go. Don't you wanna go? Yeah, I want to go. Thank you.
It is 3:40, and that was a pretty good play, but now it's finally time to go home. Theater performances always make me really tired, but before I sign off today, I want to do a little reflection discussion sort of thing. Thanks for interrupting me. Theater is actually really cool. I don't get to see it that often, but when I do, I really enjoy it. And one of the things I like about theater, you can get so caught up in the storyline and everything, especially if the actors are really good, and it's actually a really effective way for playwrights to convey certain messages and lessons. So that's really all I have to say for today. Goodbye, everyone.